Everything you've been told about CRM implementation is wrong. Stop paying for features. Stop paying for modules. Start paying for AI autonomy. Here is the cold truth. Your current CRM is likely costing you money. Not just in monthly subscription fees, but in the hundreds of hours your team wastes on manual data entry that a machine should have handled months ago. We've spent the last year auditing over 50 different SaaS stacks for high-growth SMBs. We've seen exactly where the legacy giants are failing and where the new AI-first tools are delivering a 10x return on efficiency. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which industry standards to abandon and the 3 AI-first systems you need to actually scale in 2026. We are moving away from systems of record and entering the era of systems of intelligence. Let's dive in. Let's be honest. Most of you don't actually use your CRM. You use it as a digital filing cabinet, a place where leads go to die. You spent months onboarding, you paid thousands for a premium plan, but your sales team, they still live in spreadsheets and sticky notes. Why? Because standard CRMs are basically glorified databases. They don't asterisk do anything. They just asterisk store asterisk things. You're paying for features, custom reports, pipeline views, lead scoring that require a full-time admin just to maintain. That's the CRM tax. You're paying a monthly subscription for the privilege of doing manual data entry. Every minute your rep spends updating a deal stage is a minute they aren't closing a deal. In 2026, manual entry is a business failure. If your CRM isn't autonomously capturing data, summarizing calls, and triggering personalized follow-ups without you touching a button, you aren't using a tool. You're managing a chore. And while you're fighting with your software, your competitors are using AI-first systems that operate while they sleep. You're not just losing time, you're losing market share. Here is the hard truth. For 20 years, a CRM was just a digital filing cabinet. You paid employees to manually enter data, and you paid a software subscription to store it. In 2026, that model is dead. If your team is still updating the CRM, you are burning payroll. The shift we're seeing is the move from CRM as a system of record to a system of intelligence. You don't need more features. You need AI autonomy. You need a system that doesn't just store your leads, but actually moves them through the funnel while you sleep. So what does an AI-first stack actually look like? It depends on your scale. First, let's talk about the ecosystem play, HubSpot. HubSpot has stopped being just a CRM and become an AI-powered growth engine. In 2026, their edge isn't the database, it's the integration. Their AI doesn't just summarize a call, it triggers a personalized email sequence based on the sentiment of that call. It removes the gap between the conversation and the follow-up. If you have a larger team and need a unified source of truth that thinks for itself, this is the gold standard. But if you're a lean operation focused purely on the kill, you look at Pipedrive. Pipedrive has mastered the visual side of sales, but the 2026 version is about predictive pipelines. Instead of you guessing which deal will close, the AI analyzes historical patterns and flags the deals that are actually likely to convert. It tells you exactly who to call today and who to ignore. It turns your sales process from a guessing game into a mathematical certainty. Then there's the operator's choice, go high level. GHL isn't just a CRM, it's a business operating system. For the solopreneur or agency owner, this is where AI autonomy peaks. We are talking about AI booking bots that handle the entire conversation, qualifying the lead, handling objections, without a human ever touching the keyboard. It replaces a virtual assistant and a CRM in one subscription. Here is your 2026 checklist for any tool you buy. 1. Does it have autonomous data entry? If you have to type a note, it's legacy software. 2. Does it offer predictive forecasting? If it only shows you what happened in the past, it's a rearview mirror, not a GPS. 3. Does it integrate AI agents or just AI chatbots? Chatbots answer questions. Agents execute tasks. If your current CRM fails 2 of these 3, it's not a tool. It's a liability. Stop paying for the privilege of doing manual data entry. Now let's talk about the tools that actually deliver this AI autonomy. If you're scaling a complex operation, HubSpot is the non-negotiable choice. Their AI doesn't just organize data, it predicts your next winning lead. For those who need a lean, high-velocity sales machine, go with Pipedrive. It's the fastest way to stop leaking deals in your pipeline. But if you want to replace 5 different subscriptions with one AI-powered engine, Go High Level is the answer. It's a business in a box. The results. Operators using these AI-first workflows are seeing a 30% reduction in manual data entry and a massive jump in lead conversion because the AI handles the immediate follow-up. Stop fighting with legacy software that feels like a digital filing cabinet. I've put the direct links to these AI-ready tools in the description below. Pick the one that fits your current stage and start automating.